Hi guys, good day. So, nagadto na mig pakatani today. Anong dami mag-window shopping. So, malit kami KFC. Yeah. So, moro na yung kipalit dito KFC. Actually, this is 3 pieces of chicken. With fries. Ang sulod guys. Gravy as usual. The fries, regular. And a fried chicken. Tapos na siya tinapay. Karong 2026, karon pa ako kain mag Coca-Cola. As in, grabe. So, naatay rice. Okay, pizza. Fried chicken. Ay, this is 4. I like the gravy. Kain. Tijud ko mabuhi guys pag walay sili ako ang pagkaon. Sriracha or ang sa tawagan ni ang manok dili na siya crunchy kay ano na.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Open it. Potato gravy. Ano siya?
Do you want your kids to drink this now?
Oh gosh, this is my first time drinking this. This 2026. Murag nanibago ko ba? Bye.